Yo, what up, people? Back for a really short PM stream because my son is about to be home. I mean, my wife and son are about to be home in like 10 minutes, um, and he's really excited to play some baseball because they found some baseball stuff in the store. And I might get off in a little bit, but if we get the CISD change right here, let's just post this. All right, what up, people? Let's see here. I just want to get this link out to people. So, so yeah. Like I said, I'm just gonna do a quick one. If we get some bullish candles here, the lower objective was sell side, but I think we might leave that for tomorrow. Let me get this pulled up. And get this pulled up. See if we actually get a CISD here. And yeah, let's see if we get it. We have sell side down here, but we've gone down so much. We could just, it could be a short little 50% retrace and then back down to sell side by the end of the day by 5:45. Or if ES hits it first at 52.66, then we might not hit on NQ because ES has been super weak, a lot weaker than NQ. Here we go. Let's see if we got a CISD above. That'd be a inversion on the 5-minute and a CISD. Get a buy to close above here. I'm gonna go in real light, do one contract because I'm already up so much for today. And 42 seconds left. Let's see if we get a close above. And we just closed the 5-minute. Did we close the 5-minute? No, we got 4 minutes left for this 5-minute candle to close above. Let's see here. We have SMTs. We do have an SMT here. A short one. Right there. SMT right there. So this would be your protective low. If this SMT holds this level, 620, shouldn't go below there if it holds. But let's see if we get a close above. Doesn't look like we do. So no close above, no CISD yet. Might be good bearish play if you're bearish. Boom, look at that. See. So we're rejecting this 5-minute SIBI, still bringing us lower and bringing us down. Let's see, where else are we at? And looks like we're getting a rebounds redeliver right here on the, is that a 30-minute? On 30-minute, yep. So it looks like if this, we might just be going more, might be still going lower. Let's see here. Yeah. So if we get a close above CISD here, a body close above, I might go in real light with one con. Or if my wife and son come home earlier, I'm gonna get off. But that's my play and idea. If you guys want to take it, if we get a close above, and if this SMT holds on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, we got a huge SMT. This is, let's see, I'll show you guys SMT here. So this candle and this candle right here. No, this one right here. Huge SMT right here. So, right, there's that. So bullish SMT on ES and NQ. Same candles right here. What the heck? Right here. So, oh, did my getting sick? What happened? It was weird. There we go. So we got that SMT on the higher time frame. Are we below the weekly open? I think here's a weekly open right here. We're not quite below the weekly open, but that would be a good sign for a bullish play. We're below the weekly open. If we're close to below the weekly open, the SMT is below the weekly open, so that's a good sign, at least on NQ. Bullish SMT. So ES swept all this, and yeah. So anyways, you guys see that SMT on the hourly. I'm gonna delete that, but that's where the SMT is. Swept this. This is swept. You got sell side down here at this swing low, and then we got these data lows right here on NQ. But it might not hit because like ES already hit these data lows like a long time ago. See, so this is the same candle on the hourly. So we might just chop around because I think the major objectives for today have already been hit. See, this is this hourly BISI on ES is still supporting price. So we might get a bullish change in state of delivery here. Let's see. That's an hourly BISI. And what time is it? We're about to be on it. We are in a macro. Let's see what happens in 6 minutes and see if we get some volatility. There's a 1 hour BISI that's still supporting price. Let's see here. Did we get a body close below the midway of this BISI? Yeah, we did. So we're probably going to go lower. I mean, if I were to guess. Got a body closing below the midway point of this BISI. Oh, I measured that wrong. And this hourly BISI, this is also a bunch of, on the lower time frame, this would be an hourly breaker block right here too. Really small little breaker block right there. If all these would be breaker blocks, you can measure that out. Which is more powerful than a BISI. I think my wife's home. Nope, not yet. This would be the breaker right here. So I'll just have this marked breaker. If we're looking for a bullish move, see here, you're getting support from that breaker. We're inside of BISI on ES. So we'll see if we hit this these lows here. 52.65. We'll see. My computer running super slow. And yeah, so for anybody who's joining, all right, for anybody who's joining, so welcome. For anybody who's joining, here's my thesis right now. We got sell side down here, but ES already hit it down at 545. Big SMT on the hourly, below weekly open. We're getting support from the hourly breaker on ES. And we're inside of hourly BISI on ES. And just chopping around. I think the major objectives for today have already been hit. We took previous day lows on NQ, and if we get a close above this 661 level on NQ, body close above, then we'll be bullish. We'll have a CISD. That would be also be an inverse of this 5-minute SIBI, and we're just chopping around. I'm not talking to you, Siri. So that is my thesis right now. If you guys, I don't know, thanks for everybody who's joining. Jack here with Avoda Trading. I'll repeat my thesis for those of you who just joined. We're getting support from hourly breaker. Well, let me just zoom out. I think the major objectives for today have already been hit, so it's going to be low probability. I'm already up 5K on this eval, 5,600 or so. So I might do one contract if we get a CISC here and close above, just to go real light. I'm okay risking, $400 and losing that for the day if we get a CISD. So we're getting support from this hourly breaker. We're inside hourly BISI on ES. We got SMT on the hourly under the weekly open. There's a weekly open right here. You guys see here's these data lows on NQ. Same data lows on ES. We took